When couples try for a pregnancy and pregnancy is not happening, so they do not know when to approach a fertility specialist. So if you are married for more than 1 year and your wife's age is less than 34 years, then it is the best time to see a fertility specialist to know the cause of infertility. But if your wife's age is more than 34 years and periods are painful, irregular, and she is a long-standing patient of diabetes and thyroid, then you should see a fertility specialist within 6 months of your marriage.
Hak arbun rio tarik benai lebar arhajar arpulai ki pulet ke jelam Meghalaya kilala ban pen pulam no ya kawe ke jing temu ban kayi yo drugs. Bat ki pulet kale ekene rengkat ke jing terilang bat ke kunhun sentiat. Hakaba lala ban kem no ya kilai ngot ki bat temu ban kayi yo drugs. Hadian balayo ek jing tep bat kena la penap syrep ya kene kunhun jogi nginong kayi drugs hajan ka bernihat police outpost. Hakaba ya kawe kakali Marti Alto 800 lapen sengeno bat la talasi. Hadian bala toket lalapat ya ki khatsau tuli ki song jong ki sendok sabon. Ki badan ya sispa sau pau point lai nyo gram udrox heroin. Hakaba la buri hapok ke jaka song jong ni kakali. Kini ki laingot ki bala syakem hakane sni ki kentop ya udilep maulong nanong mensong ubije thapa nalat nartiang bat uban sengan kupar kongdop na kedat nong mensong. Bat la kemeki bat la pengat iki hapok ke kenon an NDPS Act. Nalor kini ki drugs ti pulet ki layok ban kurup ru ya lai tili ki mobile phone kapisa ke basau hajar tengka lai tili ki identity card bat web syringe neki. La pendap lot ya barok ke jengnan kam ki ba hab ban pendap hapok ke NDPS Act. Kani ke jengyo abat no ikini kinong kai drugs tapi iya ke jeng tristom katanat pulet hakaba ka persyang ban penduk ya ukun jeri jong kajing kai drugs ha ke jelam Meghalaya.